So far, we have covered animation controller, tween, curve tween, tween sequence, and in this video, we are going to cover staggered animations. So what is the meaning of stagger? Stagger means running two or more things concurrently or sequentially. So let me show you in the code what we are going to do. So we will run this tween sequence throughout the duration of the animation controller. And in the first half, we will change the size of this little green box, and in the second half we will change the color of this little green box from green to pink. So for this, first of all, we need to define two more animation objects. First one for size and the second one for color. So the initial size would be 10 and the initial color would be green. Also, we need to define two more tweens. First one for size and the second one for color. So initial value would be 10 and the ending value would be 20. Also, we need to define a color tween for color. So beginning value would be green and the ending value would be pink. Then now we can use the values generated by the size animation and color animation. Now we are left with only providing the intervals. For this, we need to do size animation dot, sorry, not the size animation, but the size tween, and we need to call animate. And here we need to pass curved animation, because using that curved animation, we are going to define the interval. So here we need to pass the parent. So the parent is going to be animation controller, and here we are going to pass the interval. So the beginning interval would be 0 and the ending interval would be 0.5, because we are running only in the first half. And for the color tween, it's going to be first would be 0.5 and the ending would be 1. Now we can extract the animation into the size animation object and similarly color animation. So by default, all the intervals have the curve linear. So we are going to keep it as it is. So let's hot restart. So now it will change the color. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.